Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Analytics Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Webflow website. It's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. So adding a video is quite simple, but making sure it looks good is a difficult task. So that is why I suggest you ask your designer or developer to just make everything looks good, and you just have to add the link. So to add a video, all you have to do is just click on this plus icon, scroll down, and you will find two different elements. One is for YouTube and one is for any other video. So I'm just gonna select this, just drag it and drop it wherever you want. So let's say I want it right underneath this one. So here you go, you just add the link and add the title, and that is it. But the hard part is to make sure this look good, and that is your developer job. So I hope this helps. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.